What's that? Oh, we're live? We're live. Sorry. Hello, and thank you for tuning in to the Rapper Weather Station. Hurricane Sandy is currently at a Category 1 with 90 miles per hour wind speed and moving 28 miles per hour. It's a big deal, folks. Here in Maryland, Sandy has the trees bending over like cheap strippers. Later tonight, as the winds pick up, we expect the pine trees to start twerking. Karma Suicide is live on the scene in Atlantic City, New Jersey, where Governor Chris Christie is saying to those stranded, buy the ticket, take the ride. What's that? Yes? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it seems the weather is so severe, Karma's had to take refuge in a local bar. But don't worry, folks. Karma tells us that even though the electric is out, she has plenty of experience drinking warm beer. Please stay tuned in for more reports on Hurricane Sandy. Whapper.